guys, today we're going to do adding and subtracting, and I'm going to do the highlighted questions with you guys so you guys can check the answers for other questions at the end of this video. So let's start with number 1. 3 plus 4. I'm going to draw 3 dots. Plus 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we're going to count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So altogether we have 7 dots. Now let's move on to number 5. Number 5, 2 plus 8. So 2 plus 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We're going to count 1, 2, and then we continue counting 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 2 plus 8 is 10. Now let's go to number 8. 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 plus 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. We're going to do the same thing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then 4 more. So 9, 10, 11, 12. So altogether we have 12 dots. Now let's try subtracting. Here we have 7 circles, and we're going to get rid of 4 because we're subtracting. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we're left with 3 circles. So 7 minus 4 is 3. And when you look at this, look at number 1 and number 9. Here we have 7, and we have 7 here. We have 4 here, 4, and 3. So this means that when I add 3 plus 4, it equals 7. And so 3, if I add these two numbers, it's the same number. It equals 7. So 7 minus 4 is 3. Then let's say that we have 7 minus 3. Then, so here's 7, 7, and then 3. So our missing number is 4, which means that 7 minus 3 is 4. Now let's try 13. We have 10 circles, and we're going to get rid of 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And we have 2 circles left. So our answer is 2. And just like before, here's 10. You can see 10, and then 8. And here's 2. So when I add these two numbers, 2 plus 8 equals 10. So if I have 10 minus 8 equals 2, because when I add these two numbers, it equals 10. Okay, now let's try 16. I'm going to get rid of 4 circles because it's 12 minus 4. 4, and we have 8 circles left. So our answer is 8. Okay, now let's move on to missing numbers. So for this, we have 10 circles right here, right? So to find this missing number, we're going to subtract this from this, which means that it's going to be 10 minus 3 equals our missing number. So 10 minus 3 is our missing number. 10 minus 1, 2, 3, and we have 7 circles left. So our answer is 7. Okay, now when I add these two numbers, they equal 10. And these two numbers are the same as these two numbers. So when I subtract 3 from 10, I'm going to have 7 because when I add 3 and 7, they equal 10. Okay. Now, let's try number 6. Let's get rid of 5 circles 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we have 6 circles left. I mean 7, sorry. 7 circles left. So this is the same thing as 12 minus 5 is 7. Okay, now let's try number 9. We have 16 circles right now. This is a little bit different. Okay, so 16 minus, we're trying to find this number. So we have to subtract this to find our missing number. So 16 minus 8. 16 minus 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And we can tell that we have 8 circles left. So our missing number is 8. When you look at this, 8 plus 8 equals 16. So 16 minus 8 equals 8. Okay, now we're going to figure out if we're going to add or subtract. So Alice had 8 stuffed animals, so we're going to write down 8 first. And then she buys 4 more. 4 more means we're going to add. So 8 plus 4, she bought 4 more. And we're going to find out how many does she have now. Okay, so we have 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then she bought 4 more. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And we're going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So now she has 12 stuffed animals. Okay, let's try number 3. Jason had 11 cookies. So we're going to start with 11. And then he gave away. So gave away means that we're going to subtract. So 11 minus, and then 5 cookies. So 5. And then it asks, now how many does he have left? We're going to subtract 5 from 11. So we have 11 cookies right now. And we're going to subtract 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we can tell that we have 6 cookies left. So 11 minus 5 is 6. So he has 6 cookies left. Now let's try doing the word problems. Now Matthew has 6 trading cards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then Ashley has 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then Eric has 3. 1, 2, 3. And it says how many cards do they have in total? Total means we're going to add all of them. So 6 plus 4 plus 3. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and then 11, 12, 13. So in total, they're going to have 13 cards. Okay. Now, when we look at this, there are 13 pieces of candy in a jar, and 5 of them are green and the rest of them are purple. So we have 13, and 5 of them are green. So let's say 5 of them are green. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then so these are going to be purple. And when we count, we have 8. So how many pieces of candy are purple? The answer is 8. Okay, now let's try the last question. So Jamie has 7 pens, and Bella gives her some more pens. Now Jamie has 9 pens. How many did Bella give to Jamie? So she had 7 at first, and then Bella gave her some. And then now she has 9. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So to find this out, we're going to do 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Minus 7. because we're trying to find out how many she gave. So, oh, sorry. So 9 minus 7, 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So we know that we have 2 left. So Bella gave Jamie 2 pens. Okay, and now here are your answer keys.